Please have a seat. Bhavneet Kaur, right? Please brief me about yourself.
My name is Bhavneet Kaur. I did my schooling from Guru Harkishan Public School, India Gate. Currently, I am pursuing graduation second year from Delhi University. Correspondence. About my work experience, I have worked with TechVedic Technologies as a billing verifier. It was a KPO, knowledge process outsourcing. It was UK and US process. So I used to take, all the details about the billing and refunds and all that things for 6.5 months. Then I worked at International Airport with Lufthansa Airlines as a CRE, Customer Relation Executive. So I just left the job a few months back and now I'm completely free.
Okay, you said you're pursuing your graduation from which stream?
Commerce.
Commerce, like in Delhi University, right?
Correspondence.
Okay, and how old are you?
I'm 28.
20.
20.
Okay, very young. So why do you want to do job like so early?
First of all, I was, not at all that much interested in studies from the beginning. So I never wanted to go to college regular and that.
Okay.
So once I started sitting at home, I wanted to work. So then I started working, and now it's like I have to work anyhow. So I don't want to,
Okay, so you must be very self-independent.
Yeah, that's right. As well as some of my family conditions I'm working. Like my mother is no more, and it's my father, and we have a joint family. So I wanted to work anyhow.
You and your father, and how many other family members?
My uncle, my aunt, 2 uncles, 2 aunts, their kids.
You don't have any brothers?
No, I'm single. I'm only child.
Okay, and what do your father do?
We have our family business, and my uncle and my father, they all are working together.
So why don't you want to help your father in his business?
Because our business is something like that, like girls, they don't feel good if the girls.
What kind of a business it is?
It is, you must have heard about the Delhi Race Club. It's there.
Okay, so that's why.
It's from last 25 to 30 years. So girls can't work there. That's the only problem.
Okay, no issue. So like you are not much interested in your studies.
Yeah.
Okay. So why do you want to do job?
Job, I want to be independent. I don't want to sit at home. We have, it's not like that I'm working for money or so. It's not like that. But I want to work. I want to be independent. I want to go somewhere like to work, to meet other people. And
So what is your career goal?
Career goal, first of all, I wanted to be a cabin crew, and my father is like, no, it's a big no to this. So anyhow, I wanted to join some field. Right now, nothing is there. So I wanted to get into a field which will, last me for so many years. So I don't want to change my field again and again. What I have done in last 1 year, if I'll see, I have an experience of 1 year. But that is of no use. 6 months in the other field and the other 6 months in the other field. So I wanted to get in a field that I can, last in that field for so long, and I don't want to change it again.
Okay, so you're much comfortable to work as a fresher because this post is for the freshers.
Yeah, that is why only.
Okay. Who is the motivator in your life?
Motivator. As such, I can't say that this particular person motivates me, but I want to do something that will motivate myself.
Okay. And do you know anything about the job profile?
Not really. I checked out your company on Google yesterday night, and it was like a 3D company who used to make the animations or so. Like today, everything is coming in 3D movies, 3D games, and each and everything. That's what I was checking out about the company, and rest about the job profile. It's like yesterday you told me a bit about it. So that is all what
I would like to tell you in brief about the company as well as the job profile. The company is Nano 3D company. Basically, as you said, it's a 3D animation company. We deals in architecture, animation and workflows. Okay, we generally provide visualization services to our clients, and one of our clients is real estate developers. Okay, and basically you can say it's a developing company. We have two production houses within Delhi, more than 5 offices in Delhi and more than 12 offices all over India. And very soon we are going to open 2 new offices, one in Jaipur and another in Mumbai.
Okay.
Okay, and the headquarters is in Karkabina. This is basically a new office for the technical area.
Okay.
Fine. And coming to the post, it's for the executive assistant director. In this, you need to assist the director of the company. Basically, he's looking after the sales department, so you need to assist him in the sales department. So your job responsibility will be, you need to coordinate with the prospective clients for the meetings over the phone. You need to schedule the meetings and appointment over the phone, receiving the calls of the clients, and also admin task of the company, which will be data management, maintenance of files and records of the company. And sometimes when a director goes for meetings, you need to go along with him just to take the follow-ups of the clients.
Okay.
And in our company, we collect the data through exhibitions. We visit the exhibitions, so you need to keep the track of the exhibitions. And apart from that, you need to visit to the exhibitions just for data collection. So basically, this will be your job for the back office.
Okay, so yesterday I also asked you the same question. Will there be a lot of traveling also?
No, not lots of traveling. Maybe twice in a month, thrice in a month, like this.
Yeah, that would be fine.
Yeah, it's not, because already we are having the employee as an executive assistant in our company, so in a month maybe twice or thrice, not on a daily basis.
Okay.
So it will be
So
like
it
this.
will be in Delhi only or something?
Yeah, it will be in Delhi.
Okay.
Traveling will be only in Delhi.
Okay.
Okay, and it will be time to time on daily basis. So you're much comfortable with this?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. So let me tell you now how much your salary expectation as your previous experiences can't be considered in here. So I will definitely ask you, would you expect the salary as a fresher?
I'm expecting at least 16.
Salary is 16.
Yeah.
Do you think like for the freshers they get this much for this post? Definitely.
Yeah, for fresher, if we consider the fresher person, it's not at all,
Yes.
worth it. But as I have worked with it and, I'm getting into this new field and all, so at least I'm expecting. Well, my
How much was your current salary?
was 13.25. Last round salary was 13.5.
Means you are looking for a hike.
Yeah.
But I'm just asking, as a fresher, the minimum salary, just tell me. Don't think about your previous salary and all. Just because saying here, I already told you.
My job is not of HR, so it's completely on you. My expectation is this much. So,
But if we say the government will provide you 10,000, so you will be comfortable in that, na?
obviously, yes.
So that's why I'm just saying the minimum salary beyond which you can't go. So the minimum salary you can tell me, and your maximum as well.
Maximum was 16 and minimum which I'm expecting is 15.
15. 1,000 only. Okay, 15 came in. Alright, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you open for the bond of the company?
For like how?
See, it will be 1.5 years of bond, 6 months for the initial trainings, and 1 year of your job. Which you need to sign at the time of your joining. It's just a commitment that you don't leave the company.
Yeah, sure.
Fine. Because you're also looking for the job.
Company also, but it was only for 6 months and I worked for 6 months. It was about to renew when I left the job.
Okay, it was about to renew. But then here it will be for 1.5 years. After that there won't be any kind of bond.
Okay.
And increment everything will be as per the company norms. Okay.
No issues.
Fine. Okay. In case you will be shortlisted, how soon can you join?
After Diwali.
Okay.
It's been so long I'm sitting home alone and it's like, even I feel like these walls are my, enemies. I just feel like
Yeah. You need the job to feel like this only.
Yeah.
Okay, once you have started the job and you love the job, then you feel like you're idle.
Once when you start, earning or working, so it's like you can't sit at home.
Yeah,
You have to
same.
work.
Okay, but me, the same correct number?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's more enough for today. But me, I just, in case you will be shortlisted, I will give you a call on this number, maybe in this week or maybe next week. Okay, and I'm going to call you for the final round, the director of the company. That would be fine?
Yeah, that will be completely fine. But I wanted to ask few things.
Yeah.
That my conveyance will be my own.
Conveyance for what?
for coming to the office?
Yeah.
What will be the timings?
Timing will be 10 to 7.
10 to 7. Here only in
Yeah.
this office?
This office only.
Okay. And 5 days working or 6 days?
6 days.
Sunday is an off.
Sundays. Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Oh,
all.
yeah.
Okay, it's nice speaking to you.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah. Okay.
And